Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter Trendline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features the all-important business pack and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. The van also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and across the front of the vehicle it features front parking sensors. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch steel wheels, as well as coming with a full-size steel spare wheel. To the rear of the vehicle, the Crafter comes with a high-mounted rear view camera, as well as having 270-degree hinged barn doors. The vehicle also has a step in the rear bumper, as well as coming with rear parking sensors. Taking a look into the load area of this Crafter, it comes with an unusual intricate system, a module folding racking system on the left and right hand side. These shelves can be easily deployed by simply pulling the shelf firmly down and it will slot into spot. This has a variety of different applications such as multi-point deliveries. When the shelves have been deployed down, there is still plenty of room to walk in between the shelves, allowing for a full utilised rear load area system. There is a singular sliding door on the passenger side of the vehicle, and the vehicle also comes with a sliding door in lieu of a bulkhead. This brings us into the cab area. There are 2 fabric upholstery seats in the Austin cloth, both with a single armrest each. The van comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with DAB as well as App Connect. Some excellent climate systems such as climatic air conditioning, and the van has 2 USB-C outlets as well as a 12-volt outlet as well, handy for keeping all those smart devices charged. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, allowing for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.